pursue.
Welcome to number 84 Valantine Road in Birkdale. Great location, shops, transport all close by. But best of all, wait till you see inside. Deb will tell you more.
All that I ask is to make it right, but all that I see is you trying to hide. 모르고 내 마음을 모르고 I wanna leave it all behind. I don't wanna hear you apologize. 돌리고 빙빙.
As you can see, this is a beautiful home. Great kitchen, wonderful sized living area. On a corner block, side access, solar power. I'm Deb McDonald, give me a call.
말만 돌리고 I don't wanna